Hi friends, today we are discussing about functions. What is the functions? Function is nothing but function is a block of code that performs specific well defined task. That performs specific well defined task. Function is a certain block. So function is a certain block, specified block. Function is a specified block or certain block. Function can be function. It is the important of C language and it can be classified into three types. They are function, declaration, function call, function definition. Function can be classified into three types. They are function declaration, function call, function definition. What is the purpose of function declaration? What is the purpose of function declaration? Function declaration contains function name and function type and argument list or parameter list. Syntax for function declaration. Function declaration for syntax. For return type, function name, and argument list. This is the declaration syntax for function declaration. Next, function call. Function can be called as actual parameters with the help of function name. Function can be called as function actual parameters with the help of function name. This is a function call. Syntax for function call. Function can be called as actual parameters with the help of function name, argument list. This is a syntax for function call. Next, function definition. Function definition is nothing but complete description of function name. Complete description of function name. Next, syntax for function definition. Return type, function name and argument list. This is the body of the loop. Opening brace, body of the statement. This is a syntax for function definition. Next, we are writing simple program for function concept. Hash include stdio.h. Next, function return type float, function name square, float square of, argument list float x. Next, main of the program int main, next int main, here opening brace, float n, m comma n can be declared, parameters, 2 parameters can be declared. Next, printf, enter the number, enter the sum number for finding square. Enter the sum number for finding square. Next, scanf, read on the keyboard %f, because I can take in float, %f ampersand of m. Next, this is the function declaration. Function declaration. This is the function declaration. Next, function call. N is equal to square of m. N is equal to square of m. This is a function call. This is a function name with the help of actual parameters, with the help of function name is called function call. Next, printf, can be print on the printf keyboard. Printf, the given number is square of the given number, percentage of is percentage of, next n comma m, 2 parameters, actual parameters declared, 2 parameters can be declared here, m comma n. Next, printf n comma m. This is the main program. Here function declaration and function call can be declared, but of this it can be move in outside of the program, main program is called as, it can be defined as function definition. It can be defined as function definition. When the function call can be jumping for out of the main program is called as function definition. Here float square of float x. Here return type float, p can be declared, p is equal to opening brace, p is equal to x into x, x into x, x is next to return P. Okay, return P. This is a simple program for function topic. This is function definition. Function definition. Output of the program. Output of the program. Here enter the some number for finding square. I entered 2. Okay, I entered 2. In this way, n can square of the x is the p, square of the x is the m is the float x, square of the m is float x, p is equal to 2, p is equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4. Here display on the screen is printf. The square of the given number is n comma m, percentage f n comma m. I can declare 2. The square of the given number is 2. The square of the number is 2.00 because of I can take in as float, and the square of the given number 2.000 is 4.000. Can be give a output of the program. This is a simple program for functions. Thank you.